In our next decision, we actually have a surprise win. In a 6-3 decision, the Supreme Court upheld a federal program that helps low-income communities, schools, and rural areas access phone and internet. Here's what happened and why it's such a big deal. The case was Consumer Research versus the Federal Communications Commission, the FCC. In this case, the challengers argued that Congress gave too much power to the FCC and to a nonprofit called the Universal Service Administrative Company, which manages the Universal Service Fund. That fund helps pay for broadband in places that need it most: schools, libraries, rural communities, and places with low income. It's funded by telecommunication companies under the 1996 Telecommunications Act, and those costs are often passed on to customers. The plaintiffs claimed that this setup violated the non-delegation doctrine and Congress gave away too much of its legislative power. But the Supreme Court disagreed. In a majority opinion written by Justice Kagan, the court said the structure is constitutional and the FCC can continue running the program as it exists. Justices Gorsuch, Alito, and Thomas dissented, arguing that the FCC and the USAC have too much unchecked power. Now, why this matters? This case was part of a broader push to gut federal agencies and limit federal regulatory powers and limit public programs. If the challengers had won, this could have dismantled broadband access for millions of people and set a very dangerous precedent about how the government funds public services. Today's ruling is a rare win for digital equity, for the administrative state, and for the communities that depend on access.